yante asemboni bia nemo mi yabo game na wia team baako air travel at the free one destination to the other no and okushia sa kwenhye ya enam so ama Berekum Chelsea ya kasai omo a player ya tuni din anase ni din at the Dominic Frimpong 20 years abranti enso afaso ahwe eyenenkwa ya ayarosam at the ama Ghana football Bismarck Ozubenpayala. Good morning.
Good morning.
Bibi aboko dia.
Bibi antimi nyaboko. Every eno nyume be sisame no. Any pantimi nya na papa bia. Because they are to Berekum Chelsea no. And they are to Ghana football no yara wasempa. Very, very sad. Na a good feeling.
Cry.
A good feeling. Say there's a difference between asemesi na a how bia. Barich say any free mudia. There's a asaman pompons one no. And say yes sir.
Well, the pan count you first can't.
Exactly.
Bien no abetim dia tom.
And yes say your radio program and that we must come and do it. And everything football must come to an end.
I think you're hot.
You get it.
Yeah. Because I a 20 years boy and a man full of life. Sebi you wakobobo. Ewi otibas mu kufie. When we say dia otibas mu kra on the family bedding come oh ya bo game na wi ya share dia but ye be fie. Eja ono susu eno no ya. Ono na busuafo didie. Uncle do fie bim.
You see sometimes
yeah rawo semo.
Sanse bi say ba say within the media a story. But Rich, if you have any kind of personal connection to the people involved, a heartbreaking. Nyankopon watch talent no. Enya busua bia mu na or the football talent could do more. But Rich, the few homes players could PM no. It tended to be a wiabi our family name. And Obi Ampaibo is to hope so one day the player will go more professional and no matter farm and now be changing the fortunes of fear. Now, a wood will be a bit. But Rich, the circumstances with which are you are from Pong where you know and to be honest with you, me are very, very sad. Very, 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 very sad. And no, I mean, I'm social media when you remember 10:30, 11. And I mean, who says some of our colleagues say, "Your mom pay my Berekum Chelsea na the information a few more banning yet." I'm say, "Eh, that's bear." Then there were updates say, "Oh, I'm Robert Sakwa attack you on their way back from Samates." Rich, me who story no? Adiana me bompaye is not to announce say obiafa ho ashrenenkwa. But anche that same time a new 10-15 minutes cry. Then the story of say Dominic Nkofoni tututu na ebiaka niti ama omrashe no hospital no. It is very, very sad. Areho papa. Areho.
Asam ne basia se onyo bia na ono de obansam no. No chichim na wonso kan no kwan abefa so obeka bi. Enti asam ne ba ye ne kasamafo edema aye Berekum Chelsea tip na nkasa arante fense oben Isaac. Yeno no edin komo wa chechim kakra di amai na Fifi Manfred enso mfamrem na onfa na no ento asama abai enso emu ebinti yentie kasamafo ɛde ɛma ɛyɛ Berekum Chelsea.
So the one can Berekum Chelsea no after say Yakubu game against San Martin's Ayeba. That team that trouble be na omona kwemo bagoso in an incident no. This year it happened around 10 o'clock. In an incident happened here. A driver na auditing the name Ekopi Robbery no swabra na omato barrier. So in the course of the barrier driver try center or very verse na what you are should be to the scene place na. And of course some distance no ujinama place we say omintimi try to meet the from. So we say panic will be a for life. In the course of another them say nkofo no tutu a ebika in play I friend Dominic later you you didn't copy mo baby any hospital nanka you arrangement so nanka you transfer the number Kumasi nanka waji treatment but unfortunately around 12:25 oh baby then Dominic it's me feeble you know so go by some motia sanity and I also made two Berekum Chelsea no see anything
na other players are also about them almost so can't Dominic on say
yes and one incident in see you know that finding really because even more the players because players in that area in place in the Ghaniko in the Ghaniko the nearby village you know in the incident in see now we're finding very because even all the other players but Yamiadum it me fair ama a mobile 12 no now it's me all the places you could more baby any police for no super rescue some of the players and any clue police can do mukupimu baby any so it's me gadaya so around 12 now it's me place in the only person initially you started to see one now you want to be a Dominic and two kind of pay checks and them say order oche and sana who say it you aka Dominic didn't hospital but that's up now they make us say place in you okay you more baby any good stars for so the CEO of baby any good stars any team be more accident scene or before Chelsea place in the Omuku hotel me no can say Omuku hotel you prepare say an opportunity be free baby any about Berekum
Berekum Chelsea supporters.
You did because Dominic a very sad situation. Say, but carefree in Kuma sinful shoot ever be see a kind. Dominic here, a Biana player or loan for Berekum Chelsea.
This year, no, Baby Boy, second round.
This year, no, about second round, yeah, we loan player from Indiana. Into a very sad say a brand ticket for our shared football. I say now this incident happened. So you really care about the Busiano in Ayako. The yes, you know, and yet, and you can't wash here any Nanka Berekum Chelsea as a club. And yes, Anna, yes, you should be a very yes, a Busiano say, yes, no more fancy. That Berekum by yes, you know, this is the time at Chelsea to make it will be our support with the Empire. Because this is Nangas, because the man should them Kuyima club. Now we are CSC and players in the catch him is on your shows about trees could be to make up access or ball. So because it is the time of Berekum Chelsea will be Empire. We are in a very difficult situation.
Ghana Premier League, you know, Mabuache, some matters by watch, what I call one. Brianna, anytime you are mobile game, you are mobile answer, the boy won't die. Nansan no pam, what's my bad? Yes,
some of the games you quiet. And if you also we are over, you all time incident in happen, and uncle test by 12 midnight and uncle what you do. Some of the games here that.
Okay. And the Kasama for a day, Emma Berekum Chelsea, Obin Isaac, and a day, San narration way, a day, man. Coffee. Good morning.
Good morning, Rich.
Now to say, a quabanso. Me too, based on their brandy and Anjimua, or the my idea, or my kobo game. Yashoja, I'm be now I'm prepare for our next game. And okay, police report now. But the next report now, I told some of the team bus and a travel, but unfortunately, I'm the VIP bus and a travel driver or do a mobile and who say, oh, no, say, I'm Roberts. Omo a block kwan na je say omo e robe akontufo omo nam e kwan so nti driver no hu na no o try say no be call reverse na wa save a situation no but unfortunately according to omo no omo say kwan no nche da nyesa to okọ na chi na at the point na say afi oni option bi abiem no ka chere man say ene munsi na munyane enwurawura nim na yenhwe say de betimi. And so a savage situation. But unfortunately, Abrante no, It's work and or the very, very, very sad. Until
I mean, I think that first of all, yeah, the Jacob and my Busia, Dominica Busia, probably the most unfortunate thing they see. So, Obakoye Juma now we show on kwa. Enka Juma di enke reward and then nya ketiane nam. Na ketiane ma be ye the ebeji won kwa dia, and of course the ewini ma reward e be Busia. It's probably the most unfortunate thing that will happen. But in 24 one is him, which is very important, which means that in the course of signing money in our see me join elimination never go. I reach media my kind several times and pay me say I can't born once empire and yet possible see a biddy sound common be year man for free mo. Cause womu pan umukita to me I bet me as a son yoma. Amatima before, and that includes ball for to get a best life. I mean, what's narration out there, my you see, quining it. 18 for almost every make a team as a dear da a coin be a duck a wook room as coin be and especially in a country so you need a financial world without see beating up for flights aquaba. I mean, in certain areas called Krumas are inaccessible via air. And near my ding to the extent that team no abo game near you know, sleeping in another hotel is another cost on being care. So usually they want to drive back to a place.
Oti Abranti I'll say na almost expect to say team no be drew Berekum 12 anajo.
Yeah.
Anka players now go rest na dia chia.
Okay, then come koyo
recovery training. Yeah,
because of 4-5. That's it. They probably would have done the recovery. So sometimes when some of these things happen, I think they say take the needed precaution. Now you solve the problem no once and for all. Which you crew ma kwenye. Yes, for a country that road travel near, you ain't me use air. The route in which we fly is so bad. And personally, I think we can't always with a lot of emotion. Go and check Accra Kumasi. See, from the south of this country to the north, you need a proper highway that connects. On Thursday, me call wa. Which me trimu. I'm asking myself, say, how does Kerala United play Ghana Premier League? I'm telling you.
Every week
from Aha to Ho, at the least 13 hours. Plus a quino a pit holes and your potholes. Pit rich. Yes, unya duru techimaya. And no penny when you get to Techima na Ura Wenchino. That's the last good route on Sabeka. Now what drive you was and see somebody's coming from the western north region to the Bono region and connected two regions. There is a lot of forest reserve in these areas. Because of economic reasons, the team has to move. Maybe I can drive and bit my tricycle, Beko reverse and Quateni. But listen to what was told to you. And for me, this is where the governments of the days consistently 4 years after 4 years have failed the people of the Republic of Ghana. Because you say, okay, fine, I didn't know Manda. You don't have the means. So at least we should get good roads. Maybe I'm coming to sa corner corner before the RT you say maybe I would have understood why clubs. See, clubs from Northern Ghana, they can't run. I'm telling you, any club will be over Ghana Premier League from that part of the country. No, it's about top like Kerala is doing. They're doing so well. It is so bad. Oh yeah, Bisobi only the Bono East region. Okokofa Kentampo they are fine, but that would Okofa Kentampo side it will take you almost 16 to 17 hours.
Wow.
Yes. Okofa Damango no Bupe. What make it 10 no? Then you come because Oko Northern region, if your powers no have a northern region, and some have a year across
and then walk back down to south. So you can imagine. And as a result of negligence and a couple of other things, a 20-year-old high prospect, even if he wasn't in footballer,
Usakra, young man.
Honestly, and from a media, and I'm a dantem, somewhere around 7:38, I'd slept. When you tell me about 4 a.m., that was the first thing I saw. Me who in a me tell I'm saying, hey, if you see Ben Granny, which we can't constantly be morning, and be business as usual, sir. We talk about it and we go, And you see, the sad thing is that the focus is on World Cup. I'm telling you, this news will drown by 12 today. It will drown, unfortunately. A drowning, we will focus on the World Cup and we forget these things. And you're more important. Yeah. More important. You saw
a week na besina kabia no.
Then the players me community. I remember the last time we used to Accra Kumasi Highway. No, me free and getting after Nhyira maybe towards a friend as Santi Achim side on. You say tank be out of form. You traffic for 2 hours. So imagine say we a team that come to prepare for a game. Then you're stuck in traffic for 2 hours. Miss Africa man no be a PSC as one who be walk. I'm telling you. I'm waiting to get inside. Rich, there are real problems. I have again, you see, all parts of this country. In this country, I've traveled a lot because of the work I do in pharma. I've traveled also using Takrady to Elubo. We go through South Side now. It's also bad road. Then, as somebody who grew up in the Eastern region, those are roads that I use. Oh, dear, Bisa Omo Kotoku Royals for so when we're doing Achimoda straight to maybe Asamankese and Sanwa Bakra. This is bad road. Achimoda Aguna Swe Dra Crosso. Bad road. So in this country, there isn't a single good road. I buy a dualization of the Accra Kumasi highway. Then the next person comes and says, no, we need to do a speed 120, 4 lane, 6 lane, whatever, to do it. Yeah, there's so many a journey, people's kids are dying. That is what has caused this. It's a bad road. They could have slept and come early in the morning.
I'm so I'm about because ye tear voice, baby, me tisana obinaitic air cassette. After the incident, only players need dink on one. Almost at DNS, it will take them so many years. As an able cry, they are even thinking so make me a copac so I can book game and Bibusa because we're a student of air psychology. Yanya dance say players and so crying about her solution.
Unfortunately, the system I know in Ghana will not be able to deal with it. Under normal circumstances, these players will need a psychotherapist. But we are not going to get one for them. Ghana, I am your mental health serious. But it is going to affect the players. And your players in Nkwa, anybody who is part of the team, it is even going to affect other teams that will travel to Samaboy. Obia onam sa kwan so bia ebenya flashbacks. I am share and a certain level of trauma. Now they be ameka say in psychology obia need the way of dealing with psychological issues on an individual basis. Unfortunately for you, we don't invest in that. And me very, very worried because I know for sure that these players are not going to get any psychological help. We will leave it to time.
No, my
So after 1 week, 2 weeks, omure be fi. And you see, utie nya obea. He rightly mentioned the medical aspect of the atomo. Oh, Edomoko hospital. Yeah, so once medically they become okay, we may think they are okay.
Mungo training.
But Rich,
when you say no pay me kwa archives na me say in Tala so 3 years ago, same stretch.
Yeah.
Arabs ebe attack them sa.
You see, it's how no more we own. Oh, can enhance your mukakra. And let me give you a personal example.
Okay.
Nancy ana me koya de wo adjusu area ho. Enti midi adjusu main traffic light nim. Meti ane panyan. Ewo mechi. Enti medane mechi na small boy bi a wo chi trotro. Ono de abek bom ka ne to kitu ebi. Me see ya me share driver no so see free in the camera me share ne yabiano and I'm say no there's nothing he can do. Enti our mama signal so enka traffic light ne so ananka park won chair baby na ya ka asem no. I just drove off. Rich Ubejedi says since that incident anytime be a me driver was out stretching subiano say me drew a just traffic light na
Okay.
me yam shimmy for about 30 seconds. And sana, my own self says, oh, let's forget about it and move. Me drew in psychology for the flashbacks and eba. It will take 1-2 years that I forget. And okay, I'm not getting any therapy. Now imagine players are Rich, they drive into the Boniface blockage. Yes, by armed robbers. Not all of everyone can make us say plans no the door bus. It is only the driver and any guso or drive yako. Then all of a sudden you hear your driver shouting to Mama door bus and say Munyane. Now we've drove into armed robbery. Then all of a sudden driver started to say oh konechi. Oh konechi ni na wa what bus no. After was come starting gim. Ebo akwa atimi go to the level I find the palpitation. Akwa ne how. Wa adrenaline will be sorry. Then Rich, you are being told by the driver omo say look, baby akwa kodru no. Whether we know here or we don't. Yen tenase ma am Roberts no emeto say yes o bath ni wunti no. Obia ensi from no yen ton anim. We should run for cover. Rich, not in doing so, oh yes, no. Then the armed robbers now say open so no was starting out pin fire on you. Look, it is a simple all can. But when you leave that moment now,
the trauma easy.
It doesn't leave you in a year. It doesn't leave you in 2 years. Even in the advanced world now, I'm going to go through proper psychotherapies now. And yet, I won't grow so. Imagine, sebi. We don't have the luxury to deal with it psychologically. And the master require more. And Chebia, Rich, you may 1 month. Acha. Someone will come back and they will play football. What they deal with, nobody cares. Nobody cares. And you see, this mental health issue, on mining in our problem. On mining in our problem. I remember Professor Dankwa teaching us and telling us, Oko hospitals are. Ya onko fo bebre o malani apomuko OPD. Omusi o ko hu doctor de o me tie me ya, me haya me ya, me sorry me ho yam basa. Which about almost 65% of omo medical hospital. Our medicals going to the OPD. I'll tell you, majority of their problems, it is not medical. There's nothing wrong with their being.
It's psychological.
Yes. the stress levels, ohiasem, adwendwen.
I'm the deep panics.
Issues of bread and butter. But once in the tinian, okoji para. We don't need to take them. We need proper psychological analysis. Now, you're teaching hospitals, see, there are no psychological departments.
Yeah.
Into own route our teaching hospital, Confanoche, Kolebu, Emian Kancho say, wow, would you say a problem nowadays, Bano? A drink, a stress, and Emma will come. Don't come to this part of the hospital. Go to this part. There are people, yet they are ready to listen to you. You don't have that.
Yeah, stress me. I found normal.
Yeah, health insurance. Yeah. Rich. Even the private ones. Say I can't sure what someone subscribe to be. Whether a company or that's a one or benefiter. There is nothing psychological about it. Nhyira medical. And see, we are so obsessed with medical things, but we don't take care of our minds. But you say the minds host everything. Even in medical. There are tests to placebo effects in this and your man. Emma who say what pono in seeking medical help. So ujini se ukwa ye the idea ma who beto and umpo boama who to medically. Enti madam for Dr. Lit they be o catch me or say ayala me orthopedic surgeon me she dompe mu asem. So oba me consulting room. Na me hu se wonsa no wakotwetwe wo baabi akokyekyere wo baabi anyeye na afi na odi aba. The first thing I ask you is say I didn't think I was saying yes ano. One fam ba me ho konfanochi. I want to know your reasons why you send it somewhere. Now ukoye na anyeye no ade kwa fa edi wo be pie manim no mebusa say ugidi say now if I give you advice na me do fa me adesua mu say me hwe won sana ma ugidi say ho beto wana. Your answer will determine whether measure and answer mention. Okay. Because you first need to believe in your mind.
Very important.
Yes, baby.
Was any engineer?
Fantastic.
What you say? Well, no, wedding can agree. Yes.
Look, there are some players and it works. There are some players on my Rich. You take them to the treatment room. Ube you omo den. Omo hunto omo da. Ube sansa de osio mami nkom kromra.
Ngwe be drew.
Mami nkom ra. Rich according her baby go to 2 weeks no aba. Or started training. As a young pony no plano. And you the medical team of the team you'll be amazed. Ebani Sena, you could just can't be a man. The person look solid. And even medical impono, Rich, I was a certain mental and psychological basis to say, oh, Humberto and us on Hunto. It's a toast. I am sorry for the players, but Yahano, we don't take care of those things. And it will affect us. You see, Medema se musino.
I have a solution. Going for the
I want to solutions, you know. Mekai be asema mekai acho be a bit maybe 12 years. I have a friend, my friend a prof. Meaning Neko was, meaning Neko Legon. No, yeah, Greek. Very brilliant guy. Na yabra boy boy and of course summer learning ewo Norway. Oko Norway by na my first visit me come madam for kwaba. Meaning it to a book game sa no katem say I alamin to ababiem. He will own vote biem ewo Ghana. Let me say prof father. I say Charlie. The basic enyoma ema life is so smooth ema nipa. Sa ni 2 weeks ama learning na okodi wo Norway you know. Anyhow life was so easy for him. No potholes, in doom light, ne kwan ye, ne security. They say the country is built in a way utimua. Wo timamunino. You feel unyam for so far or taxes and say you walk across as a citizen of the country. And you feel say or minor our responsibility over taking care of you as a person. And with that experience, so across Ghana, no the way a Ghana city now, he doesn't see why he must be part of the processor. And they are buying Biba because I been be anywhere say the process now, yeah, they electing penny for no. Or no nipa now, or you're part of the process.
That's all stressing.
Say, yeah, be a man in water. Rich, you can't do two coin coba and chair. Did you see one pothole? One in Europe. One. A single. What do I say? I had a coin with a hacker.
Now, coin, if you have sex, the first road, the far from.
Look.
Crony security. Bekai, you're quite sure so. You call baby na dia sapa na mse chale munya ni enku na obi amehia ma giefo ana mse aha obi bejo fun se den krom ha oh ebinsi.
You see, Rich, we are not and say over exaggerating on, but the moment you travel to the developed world, there are simple amenities bia utim say a chrono a journey man for transportation, so a quiet fast to kwan. Whether a railway, whether a through the air, and I say a quiet road, a basic, very basic street lights. A chrono security wise on the more you feel secured. We are not saying any public phone near on it. We are not saying they don't rob people there, they do. But you see, on mine, I now from the to make sure say, even with bad people, at least the honorable here to secure you. And sana those misfortunes no to those things are also catered for.
Public place be a cameras bobo. Be a cost will be a
minimum. Camera. Well, camera is nothing to them. I mean, I like talking about transportation, and it's the basic thing, like
basic,
it is
very basic.
Which make us see for the very first time a personal story. When him say, my ex-girlfriend, we didn't need Jai because me see me in free Ghana. A personal story. She's in the US. Now, the argument it made sense. Zando ti abisa no bekacho. Or say, Kofi, me pese u free Ghana na uba. Na me say Debbie. I mean, I'm doing okay. I'm working. I'm fine. I say Debbie. E kwana una so na okobaro. Say atorium etu obi anya accident. But say atorium etu US ha. In 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes stops, there'll be an ambulance by your side.
Yes.
But I know also that kemu you don't get an ambulance. And you see, 2 nights ago, on this same stretch from Wa to Kumasi, I will fence here. I can't do Kumasi who say you mean Burkina Faso ne apply a quino. But could you boba kutuma rich? Can't any now wabe pimno. And then the nim and in the near sing the mojeba and wakakani. Into a crew of an offense or for and the air tries to be drive on a film. The fire service came almost after an hour. So driver and Nhyira nearby. So you see, these are some of the things like basic things across real life problems elsewhere. Obi inya a friend say, me call Singapore. Throughout the 2 weeks, I was always in awe of one thing. Baby, I saw a defibrillator. This is a young man who has background in biochemistry. And more of it, me who defibrillator. Adia Ghana has a footballer Bobo Chashia. The ambulance may not have. And in certain hospitals, Ghana, I think about just a few of them. Every place you went, there was a defibrillator match or no. If emergency, break glass. On my Snapchat, that is the most pictures I mean, pictures of defibrillator. Me want to try them. They are sending you be Charlie defibrillator day here, defibrillator day here.
Young kid, time ne cause say solution in this because I mean, UTT expert almost few say times now in teams in the 2 kwan. Ya na nya anajo. I say mom police escort. Mom the 2 kwan to prevent any man we now.
So we share a challenge is a yema mu ha. I was say it mean for me how I was here tonight a man. And for instance, your hand to say Germany, where a quiet year, where the security is okay, where there are street lights and normal basic. Until you say ube to quiet and you you know your chances of making it to maybe a wokono high without any problems. But hano entisa unfortunately. Which with sa background and I name situation, I was say to me inform me about your security. For instance, Obia or Tiabusia fear or Bantama. If the person decides to say Obepie Aba Homachi 2, 3, the person will have no cause of worry because Bantama is livelier to Sadiabechi. Munda. People are always around. But Rich, Sir Ote Santasia Ninem news sites. Untimi fa home bo obi or Bantama ahimfie street in him because you will be going to baby a sum a din when you are attacked a bad din so benyamwa. Those two people can't live the same life. Anunti ye hano. I am Shishiankwa Rich. If you are close to those who do football, I am Shishiankwa. I am close to some football owners. So I'm a club to coin Ekoboboa. Nasa only omoti wa numera Rich. Omubem ye call sa kopenso omutim ni bedru fie. Madru be wana madru after what obe fresh to monitor. I have been with Muspaka before. Ni team etukaya kobobo. Everyone he will call 30 minutes he will call. Madru sir because on him say I am conform ye adwuma di amano. And he must make sure they are on destination in peace. Now, Rich, there is a sikasam bit. Club administrator sikase ayala say you took one koboboa to sleep after the game and set off in the morning. Another cost. A car dawa. Why nanka ne hombe so awonye? Sebi Rich. Yeti ye nim football munyansa enche na nakwa menketia. Se owo sikano to say Berekum Chelsea call samatesi owie ye no ni team no obema o mada hotel for another night esima no pa at the safety of Obia. Rich ye ntimi ntine studio anka say ye nim sade ne che na nakwa memo dabi. But eto de bia on the situation that they are in and allow Omo to go full-tone luxury. Omo ntimi. Enti, what can be done? Say, no krese ya clubs ni eni sikana. Ometimi di ada. No masima no pana. Rich, anye shekra no die. At least, some police escort arrangements will be better.
Say, I will call Ghana Football Association, our website. The Ghana Police Administration says it's currently considering the idea of setting up a special unit in the police service to handle sports-related issues.
You see, they catch it.
Okay.
You catch ama their IGPs. You're impressing on them from the Ghana Football Association. Say, in their special training, they should have football policing, crowd control, escort to teams, and it's man. You catch it. Rich, it doesn't cost to have a dedicated police escort for every Premier League team. It doesn't.
Especially so
yes, just write to the police.
No.
Me a Berekum Chelsea, me a Kosama Boyaba. I will need police escort in and out. It should be provided because Rich, say if our concentration omunda, they don't have the money to do it. You don't prefer solutions that will be unbearable, and you're consistent, and you're achievable. They don't have the money. They don't. It's the best we can do, and say we will have a standby police escort or a security arrangement for these clubs. That is the ultimate solution we can get. We are not saying say even with police escort they can run into robbery, but at least any day you will know someone who be.
Sure.
And they are experts that can navigate the matter. That is the best that we can do, Rich. And now, say if there are police escort assigned to these teams, Rich, don't you think they can give them a certain level of security advice? And for instance, say Berekum Chelsea to kwaya Kosamra boy. Say a part of the process say the FA will aid them to write to the police say Berekum Chelsea Air Kosama boy, they will need police escort in and out. Rich, with the feasibility studies of the police. Say time na Berekum Chelsea I know obesi kwa escort ni medu omani. If MWA per police intelligence ni bibia, the escort could say, oh, look, let's wait in the bus. Say your signal say economy clear. Then I will signal you, then I will lead you. Na yeko. Probably we need some security experts around your teams, by providing security packages for your teams. That is the best solution that we able to Rich, that is the best we can get.
Remember, maybe a lines na my tear for no abem. You can say you. And I hamino.
And a sad bit no.
And I hamino.
I also think say a bad didn't see being more free a buying hornets and your mano, especially in the short term. Mr. Pa, there are certain zooms like you said. Samatex side hold this is the second time something like this.
Dala is the same thing.
Exactly.
2023.
Yeah, I think say it's high time say teams about honum or prioritize sleeping. I mean, the cost involved is enormous. I can understand because hotel car, unimadi here hotel born about 12 hours can I show.
When the players 30. Officials are my
exactly.
It's
yeah, and upon
the cost involved in easy.
Or the sun in your free or no cost stadium honoma on back because when you say nay you not ending. You understand? And that is the worry. Richard Eddie. I think that you see it to me a lot of engagement now in times like that. I mean just one or two matches certain areas be there. I see it to me that. I see it to me it's me the club sneakers and on that. Especially in areas like that. Certain parts of Ghana, which forest ne doors. So western north side on where Samatex is side on even through to BBN there about. There's a lot of arid forests on and with one shiny then how. To places like that, they maybe I see it's me resting Accra. But even with that, even on Accra Kumasi Highway, it happens. Mm-hmm. So we need to find ways. I think they see a issue, specific by single based on baby how corner the out show your man no I sir but at the other day we need to prioritize human life. So I say
the police escort no dey here because Kofi me no Ghana kwan so ya fabia ya kwan baby ho no ma enye busy roads also na Roberts need take advantage no
slow down.
Inti adinti na yet me police escort. Even and Robbery na can once. Enya na jonko na esi o. Awiesi. Accra Kumasi Road. There are several occasions awia. Roberts attack buses ejo monema. I think say yent me nyasa. Yemma police patrol ni nyed more. Ekwan so more. Yeah, say hey, you me interested in drum nkwa.
Maybe ade sakro da ade be sam duro no.
Na jo police patrols mo fa kwan so because anya man de bia koso ye major rules no. Nti ade ntina de bia tram ade ni si ansana. Ke na ke bia police escort bi ana police for work kwan ba bia. I don't think there's any we. I mean e be see there but
I don't know at least in KB and Kasa second night and Katini be down. In ka hotel for no maybe can it's in your market to look at things like discount, maybe heavy discounter. If it's in my bona phone crab. Even with that, I mean the hotelier knows your business. So how much discount can they give?
Yes, I say I think you are all sharing your opinion on matters arising, but you should also know that there are too many in bracket Ekrasi in the country which government can develop all the villages. Again, so Masama na make kanano. We are quite be on my to say forest bar and said I need busy sir.
No, but
you go tom sana.
You see, bakwana some more can say. You were Krasi bebre or Ghana ha. Inti aban bia no obetimi develop ekra bia se oni nyina.
Oh, okay.
That is the import of the message,
Okay.
But you see, I did say what say. Rich, the whole Ghana. Uko US almost states no money one state back up. That is the whole Ghana.
Yeah.
But they've developed all their states. A country he shouldn't let us go there.
America 56.
54. They've developed all of them. But one is a Ghana.
Okay.
And the second Russia, they can't develop there. On him the landmark of Germany. On him the landmark of Germany. But they've developed their countries with what? Mineral resources being no more. Look, Obia will right to your opinion. But Rich, it is flawed for me to say Ghana swama yet even develop Ghana. Ghana. Then you watch the Ghana map. Rich, in terms of landmarks there, say or mine, Ghana we can develop Ghana easily.
How would you develop Ghana?
Easily.
Ghana.
Rich, by Wednesday or so, the Acha Wednesday, the Blasters coach will be named.
Okay.
And CCA there, Sebibia Meboma, Rich, is supposed to be Carlos Corres.
The Portuguese.
My former assistant to Sir Alex Ferguson. Yes. Sebibia is supposed to be Carlos Corres.
China. Ya buy the betum na yedi and common me be lines no 3220 83581